G'day guys, it's Greg here from AttitudeTrading.com. Thanks for watching this short video. Now what I'd like to sort of demonstrate in here is the basis of my sort of trading system, or one of them. Now it's obviously this is looking at this chart, we're looking at a trend-based trading system. We look for pullbacks or consolidations, whatever you'd like to call it, or at the end of the day it all does the same thing. So what I'd actually like to show you is this area here. Now when we're looking at the higher time frames, this is a 4 hour. We're obviously looking for areas where the market may pull back, e.g. Support resistance areas. In this circumstance, for an uptrend, we're looking for a pullback down to support. If we find a really nice pin bar or a reversal candle on the lower time frames, that also is quite positive for us. So I'm going to focus on this area here. So we do have an uptrend, and we're focused on this area here. So we know that at some point that there's a higher probability that we'll have a continuation of the trend. So if you're looking for an entry, what I'll show you is how to enter on the lower time frames, and what this does is this lowers your risk and allows you to enter in an area of structure, so to speak, and this basically just helps our risk reward ratio, because the last thing we want to do is we want to risk too much, too many dollars, especially if you are just starting out. And obviously doing this doesn't always work, but it can work quite well. So if we just zoom out a bit, as you can see, we've got this uptrend here, and we're just looking for areas that price may pull back. As you can see, we've got an area here where prices respected this area on a number of occasions, and if we just zoom back up again, we can see this beautiful pin bar formation. So we've got a pullback back to an area of, in this case, support, which that's the first key area. The second key point is to look for a beautiful reversal candle, which we have a pin bar. So what we like to do now is we go to the lower time frames. And what I like to do is I look for consolidation or pullbacks within the larger pullback itself. So here's this consolidation area, whatever you want to call it. And first remember we saw the pin bar on the 4 hour, which we see here. More often than not, you'll actually see a candle formation, or in this case a bullish candle formation on lower time frames again. And here's the 1 hour. We've got a beautiful bullish engulfing candle here. So prices tried to pull down and make new lows. It's failed, and the buyers have set right in. So when you see something like this, then you can look for a consolidation or a pullback, whatever you want to call it, doesn't really matter, on the smaller time frames. And this gives you areas where you can get in to lower your risk and allow you just to find areas where you can enter the market. So I actually will go down to the 15-minute. Now this isn't for everyone, but it can be quite helpful. And here's this area here. It looks quite good. We've got a bit of structure going on here where price has been rejected on a number of occasions. And more often than not, what you'll find is price does retrace around a fib level. Not so much on this case, but I don't really want to go into that too much. But all you would need to do is draw this line here. Again, look at that. There's another beautiful reversal candle on the 15-minute. So we've found one on the 4 hour, we've found one on the 1 hour, and we've found one on the 15-minute. Just validates this trade setup. So we've got this consolidation, we've got a break. So what you can actually do is you can put your stop loss below this area here and just ride the trend. You can just, look at this as a massive big breakout. This would be a beautiful short-term trade. So again, our on the 1 hour, our stops can go below here, and we can ride the trend. Now, if we're looking at an entry, I always look to, exit. I always look to exit around areas of, Again, structure where price has been respected. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, a number of occasions. So this would be an area where I would look to get out. And as you can see, it sort of reacted to that area and tried to break new highs. It's got to around this area and pulled back. So there's just a quick video how you can use you can use the lower time frames for to find better entry areas to lower your risk in trading. Hopefully that has helped. Now, if you'd like to know more about my trading system, I'd love to show you. I've got my trading system over at attitudetrading.com. I've also got some really good attitude or mindset training over there as well that I'm sure would help you out if you're a new trader looking for some direction. Yeah, and everything over there is in video format for you to take a look at. So feel free to jump over at attitudetrading.com, check it out. Again, hopefully you found this video interesting, and happy trading.